How you doing? West Coast Johnny. Today we are replacing the garage door jamb on this old house. So the subterranean termites destroyed it. They went all the way up and they even started eating in top jamb, which is underneath the actual header. So we're going to be replacing some wood. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to prop this garage door up so that we can take all the hardware off the garage door. Okay, I got all this hardware unbolted, and I got this original stucco molding. I pulled that off because I'm going to reuse it because it was just put on fairly recently. So now I'm going to start cutting this. The problem is subterranean termites ate all the way up in here. You could actually feel where they're eating way up in here, the subterranean termites. There's mud tunnels all in here, and this is all dried up. So we're gonna start cutting that out right now. Check that out. All subterranean termite mud. So we went ahead, we bolted this, we got this in, okay, so I had to route this out, so that's nice and flush. That's where our door hits. Our spring and our hardware, it's all attached to the back of the door. So we're pretty much all finished. I'm gonna clean up the mess. I'm gonna do some sanding on this really nice. We're gonna countersink the nails and we're gonna spackle them. Then I'm gonna put my stucco molding on right here, and we're gonna get this all ready for our inspection. There it is. Hey, how's it going? So this repair is done, and subterranean termites, the culprit. See that? They just destroyed literally 8 feet of jamb, I'm sorry, 6 feet of jamb I could just pull apart with my fingers. And the thing about the subterranean termites, now this house is going to get treated in a couple days for the subterranean termites, but even though they're the easiest kind of termites to get rid of, they actually do the most amount of damage. Unlike drywood termites that do the least amount of damage, but they're the hardest kind to control, which is a lot of times why you'll see fumigations going on. So anyways, that's where we're at. We're cleaning up right now. Thanks for joining. We're still working on this, so I want to show you what it looks like when it's all finished. Okay, so our garage door jamb is all in place. The stucco molding's in place. It's all been primed and painted, and it looks amazing on this side. Let's go take a look at the other side.